Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and we're going to take a look at the Kitchema can opener. Now this is an electric can opener, but it's a little different than a lot of the other electric can openers that you see out there. One of the reasons I like this one is it is designed to actually ride on top of the can, and it does the work. You just let go. Very, very cool. So when you get this, it's going to come in a box just like this. So if you want to give it as a gift, it's already pretty well ready just to put some paper on and give it, and it's ready to rock and roll. It'll have these plastic sleeves. This is a two-part sleeve. It sets inside of that. You take it apart and you get it out. So it doesn't come with batteries, but I will tell you, be sure you read your instructions and manual. There's a little surprise in there. At least it wasn't my box. So be sure you check that out. But go ahead and get some batteries. You're going to need 4 AA batteries. Have them ready. It's easy to put on. This whole back piece just unclips just like that. And you place them. Make sure you have the little black pull tab all the way under the battery so you can pull it and get them out really quickly and easily. Put it back together and then test it. And it works. Now you're going to notice it's running. When I hit stop, I push it again for stop. It sounds like it reverses. And what it's doing, it's reversing and moving the cutting head up inside the actual unit. And then it'll shut off. So when we put this on, I'm going to put it on this can and we're going to cut the top of this can off. The thing that you're going to notice is it's going to kind of tilt and kick to one side. That's normal. And it's going to start cutting. And when it goes all the way around and it gets back to where you very first started, you're going to hear a click, and that means, hey, it's made it, it's cut it off, it's done. But it's not going to auto shut off. You reach down and you push it to go to stop. And then you will hear it reverse. Give it a second, the head goes back in, and it shuts down. So let's see how this thing actually works. So when you go to put it on, you are going to take and just lay it on the can, just like that. Okay? Very, very simple. So have the can sitting. Now this can I'm probably going to have to hold because I've emptied this can. I did a little test run and cut the other side. So I'm hoping the bottom cuts the same way. So we're going to lay it on top. And I'm going to start in my horizontal so that I know where it would, I began. And we're going to hit the start and see what happens. There you go. See that tilt? Tilts over, and now it is cutting. Now when it gets all the way back to that horizontal, you're going to hear it click. There we go. And it's shutting down, and it shut down. Now when I pull it off, the lid is actually magnetic and it is sticking to the cutter itself. Now the can itself is sharp on the edge, but I like the way this works because the lid is not sharp at all, and that's the part you're going to be holding and pulling off. So that's really kind of a cool feature. So, it's ready to rock and roll now, guys. You take it, you just put it in your drawer in the kitchen, and you're ready to use it anytime you need to cut something open. And it's extremely quick, extremely easy. In fact, you could actually start this thing and be doing something else while it cuts and then reach over and shut it off. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I would have to give it 5 stars because I think it's an awesome little can opener and it does everything that it says that it's going to do. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it, and we will see you on the next review.